Achieve rapid weight loss, shed a size in just 1 week. Greetings everyone, in this informative video we'll be discussing an effective strategy to help you drop a clothing size within a week. We've compiled 5 essential factors for you to focus on, incorporating the best techniques available. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a special way of eating that can do wonders for your body. One of the great things about it is that it helps you control a hormone called insulin, which is super important for losing weight and burning fat. So why is it so important to keep insulin levels low? Well, when your insulin levels are high, your body tends to store more fat. But when insulin levels are low, your body can focus on burning fat instead, and that's exactly what we want, right? So, how can you achieve low insulin levels? One effective way is by reducing the number of meals you eat in a day. Instead of having 3 meals, you can try having just 2 meals. It's best if you can spread them out evenly throughout the day, like having a late morning meal and then a dinner. By doing this, you give your body a break from constantly producing insulin. Oh, and here's an important tip. Try to avoid snacking between your meals. Snacking can actually raise your insulin levels, which is something we want to avoid, so stick to your 2 meals and resist the temptation to snack. Now, let's talk about what you should include in your meals to make sure you're getting all the nutrients that you need. It's important to have a balanced intake of different food groups. For example, you should include about 3 to 6 ounces of protein in your meals. Protein can come from sources like meat, fish, eggs or beans. It helps your body build and repair tissues and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Next, make sure to have a generous portion of vegetables with your meal. Vegetables are amazing because they have lots of vitamins and minerals, and they're also great for flushing out fats from your body. So load up your plate with colourful veggies like broccoli, carrots, spinach or bell peppers. Lastly, don't forget to include a moderate amount of healthy fats in your meals. Healthy fats are found in foods like avocados, nuts and olive oil. They're important because they provide energy for your body and have minimal impact on insulin production. That means you can still extend your fasting period without worrying too much about hindering your weight loss progress. So, to sum it all up, intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for controlling insulin levels and achieving weight loss. Remember to have 2 balanced meals, avoid snacking and include protein, veggies and healthy fats in your diet. By doing this, you're on your way to shedding those extra pounds and feeling great. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for part 2.